Hello, and welcome to another edition of Tutorial Tuesday. Today I'm going to go over how to get a library card and the benefits of having one. Having a library card gives you the ability to check out materials like books and DVDs, both in person as well as digitally. It also gives you access to place holds on materials online. You can also access the computers at both of our locations. You also get access to our online resources, Consumer Reports, Learning Express, Mango, Heritage Quest, Auto Repair Reference Center, Kentucky Virtual Library, and Kentucky Libraries Unbound, or Overdrive. To get a library card, if you are 16 years or older, all we need is a photo ID with your current mailing address in Muhlenberg County and for you to read and sign our agreement. If you are 3 to 15 years old, then you will need a parent or guardian to sign on your behalf. Currently, we are only offering curbside service due to the pandemic, but you can still sign up for a card if you call to make an appointment. It should take less than 15 minutes. If you already have a card but lost it, you can make an appointment for a replacement. There is a $2 fee for replacement cards. If you have any questions, just call us at 270-338-4760. I hope everyone takes advantage of this free service, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks for watching.